And for laundry. For bracket. Inside. Yes. I've been together with Jimboy for 5 months ago. Huh? Really stays there. Yeah. It's true. How's... Do you enjoy the relationship? Jimboy and I. Come on, just leave him. Just give it me. I love him. No, we're getting married next month. Getting what? Getting a ring? Getting a ring?
Yeah.
Ring? Married. Ring. On this finger. Mia. Mia. Mia.